have Samsung Galaxy M31s, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons functions in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and go to the format and advanced options. No, not right here. And here you can find, in shooting methods, you can find press volume keys too. You can take picture, record video, zoom in or out, or just control system volume. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.